Right-click the Show Top 3 button, located in range E2 through F2. A shortcut menu appears. On the shortcut menu, click Assign Macro. The Assign Macro dialog box opens. You can either select an existing macro to attach to the button or create a new macro. In the Assign Macro dialog box, click Top 3. You will assign the existing Top 3 macro to the button. Click. The Assign Macro dialog box closes. The button will now function as a macro button. Click cell G3. Before you can use the button as a macro button, you need to deselect it. Click the Show Top 3 button. Excel runs the Top 3 macro.